Hi everyone, this is Paul, exercise physiologist at BJC Health. Now, today's video is going to be a little bit off topic to what we normally talk about, where I would come to you with, say, here's some exercise ideas if you have this condition, or how you can get motivated this winter. I actually wanted to take you into my own life. And as the title suggests, I am the exercise physiologist who doesn't exercise. Now that might sound like a shock to some of you. I do some exercise. Let's just lay that out there. I like to go for walks on the weekends with my wife. I have a dog that keeps me pretty active. I enjoy some exercise with my colleagues here at BJC, but there is no real goal or motivation to continue that exercise. I do it because it's a part of my job description at times, and this is going to be very brutally honest, but I've lost that motivation to continue the exercise if it's purely from a career perspective. In the past, I'll give you a little history of myself if you don't know, I have lost 30 kilos in weight. I have done a number of triathlons, half marathons, obstacle races, and that was the fittest and happiest I'd ever been. Now as I'm getting older, I'm 31, I am losing that motivation. And so this video vlog, I think we'll call it, this vlog series is really going to be almost like the contractual agreement between myself and you guys out there to show you what struggles even EPs can go through. And I really want your help to tackle these barriers and these points of procrastination. Now, I'm the classic case of do as I say, not as I do, because my knowledge helps people on a day-to-day basis, but I don't live the example that I want to live. And so to end this video, I want to do this at least once a week. I would love your advice, any tips. I want to know what you guys have learned over the years yourself. And if you yourself are struggling, I hope these videos will actually motivate you to come with me and maybe start exercising a little bit more with a bit more focus. So once again, guys, my name is Paul. I am the exercise physiologist who doesn't exercise. So come along with me and maybe we can exercise together. Take care.